Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is activate your inner power. Harvey Specter has said, have you ever loved someone so dearly that you could do anything for this person? Well, make this person yourself and now live your life according to your own terms. Live your life the way you would like to live. In freedom, with absolute satisfaction. And then what you will see is that you glow inside out. When you are satisfied, when you are peaceful, when you are enjoying your life, when you love your life and doing whatever you are doing, what happens is you get a kind of glow which we call as Kanti. This is known as spiritual glow. We must realize that we are the universe. Just like the wave doesn't realize that it is the ocean. It is not a singular wave. It is part of the ocean, not even part of the ocean. It is the ocean. Likewise, you are the universe. Now, once you realize that you are the universe, it makes you limitless. Now you will never worry, you will never fear anything because now you know that divinity lies within you. You don't have to look anywhere outside. The universe lies within you. That means you are the source, you are divine. And the universe we talk about is you. That means you answer your own prayers by the power of your words, your thoughts and actions. Do you know that your words have so much power that they can alter and rearrange your DNA? That is why you should be very careful of your self-affirmations, the words you use in your thoughts as self-affirmations and whatever you speak. Also, be very careful with the kind of people you surround yourself with every day, because whatever they think about you, whatever they speak about you, that will have an impact on your DNA. And this can become permanent. Suppose they are critical of you, you'll end up believing them. And this will become a part of your subconscious mind and also your DNA. And this changes your entire life. Everything that happens to you starts with your own belief in yourself. And if this belief is negative, if your self-affirmations are negative, if you do not feel whole, if you do not feel good about yourself, how will you manifest your desires? What will you manifest? So everything begins with you. You are the wave and you are also the ocean. So realize your potential, understand the limitless value that you have, and you can create anything that you ever desire. Now, what are the ways of activating your inner power? One is to realize your inner potential. A few examples that we see in our everyday life is you feel guilty when you procrastinate something. It is okay to procrastinate a work, cleaning, anything. Sometimes your inner being knows. You just do not want to do something. Don't force yourself to do something. And when you are ready to do it, everything will align itself. Everything you need to complete it will align itself and you'll be able to do it really fast and easy. So it is all right to procrastinate. Another thing is, if somebody is harsh on you, it is not about you. So never feel bad that somebody ill-treated you, somebody said wrong words to you. It is not about you at all. It is about how they are feeling at any point of time. Yet another thing is, whenever you have an option of choosing whether to please somebody else or to please yourself, to feel good yourself, choose yourself. And this is not being selfish. If you don't feel good, you cannot make anybody feel good. So first and foremost, Give priority to your own needs. Give priority to feeling good yourself first. Only then can you make somebody else feel good. When you don't feel appreciated yourself, when you don't appreciate yourself, when you do not practice self-love, how can you appreciate somebody else? Also, do not waste time explaining yourself to others, because they will only understand what they have already set up their minds to believe in. They are biased. They will not want to understand your point of view. So don't waste your energy and time explaining yourself to others. If you have made a decision, it must be right, because you have followed your own intuition. When you follow your intuition, when you are satisfied inside, when you feel peaceful inside, you glow inside out. A kind of light is emanated. You know there are minerals in your body, and because of these, the presence of these minerals, calcium, magnesium, iron, your cells have a sort of electrical energy also. Electricity flows through your cells, and human body has the power to glow 100-watt bulb. That much of energy you have, that you can glow 100-watt bulb. What are you doing with that energy? Use that energy creatively. Use that energy to serve your own desires and manifestations. It will always be there, because energy cannot be created nor can it be destroyed. It will be there, but what are you putting this energy? Are you putting this energy to good use? Are you putting this energy to create for yourself? That is the question. Everything will start with your belief. When you believe that you can create, you will create wonders. Now you have the power to create magic, but it all starts with your thought first. So, what are the ways to glow inside out, to feel the spiritual glow or kanti? 1. Meditate every day for 10 minutes at least. 2. Know yourself, self-knowledge. What makes you happy? Who are you? Not how people perceive you, not your designation. Who are you? Your real self. What makes you really feel good about yourself? That is your real self. Have self-knowledge. 3. Sit in silence every day. Just tap into your inner core. What is your body speaking to you? Watch your thoughts for some time every day. Don't interrupt your thoughts. Whether they are negative, positive, don't divide them into good or bad. Just watch your thoughts, become a witness of your thoughts. 4. Live your life deliberately. Don't let anyone come and just make an upheaval of emotions in your life. You should be in control of your body, exercise well every day, and you should be in control of your emotions too. So you should know, pre-plan how you will respond in any situation. And if you go wrong, again reprogram your mind that next time if such a situation comes, how will you respond? Yet another way to tap into your inner power is sit in nature. Enjoy nature, because nature has the highest vibrations. Do something you love to do every day, not because it is bringing in any kind of monetary reward or some kind of reward, just because doing it is reward in itself. You just love to do it. Do something you love to do every day. That is going to generate lot of power within you. Also, be so busy that you don't have any time for any kind of distractions. Know your worth and focus on your work. And it is not just work, it must be inspired work. Put lot of love in your work And when you complete your work with lot of love, the output will be absolutely different. Plan your day. And you know your superpowers. They are imagination, visualization, and daydream about how you would like to live your life. And you will make them all come true. This is how you activate your inner power. You are already limitless. Just realize that you are limitless. Tap into that limitless power within you, and the energy will start flowing through you. You'll be inspired, and everything you ask will be there for you in an instant, because you are creating. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. I'm your mentor and spiritual guide, Sanchita Pandey, and my message for you is I love you, and I wish lot of abundance, peace, love, prosperity, well-being and good health in your life. Stay safe and keep smiling. The universe lies inside you. It is full of love. You are love. So enjoy that love and don't let any kind of negativity affect you. Thank you so much. Namaste.